What's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I'll show you about iCloud storage. So most of the iPhone users, they are getting problem with their iCloud storage. So some people, they are using iCloud only 5 GB storage, and some people maybe they are purchasing 50 GB or 200 GB iCloud storage. So in this video today I will show you how to get space, like how to free up your iCloud space on your iPhone. So on my hand you can see in my iPhone here, basically I'm using my iCloud storage is full in photos. Now I'm gonna show you how to get more space, or how to free up your space, iCloud space. So for this you have to watch this video till the end. First I will go inside the settings. Here's the settings. So you can see not here at the top, you have to hit here and you can see the iCloud option, and see my iCloud storage is full here, and most of the storage is got stuck by photos. So here I like this photos is really important for me, so I won't lose a single photo. That's why I synced with the iCloud. So first you need to go inside the Safari, and now you have to type the iCloud. You can try this thing on your computer as well. So you have to sign in here. After signing to your iCloud account, now you will get the option, these options like photos. Here after tapping the photos, you will get your iCloud, you will get access to your iCloud photos and videos here. Now you can delete your unnecessary photos or videos from your iCloud account. Now let's come to mail. Inside mail, large attachment or file can occupy the iCloud storage. So for this you have to go inside iCloud mail, and you have to check up your iCloud mail, like if there is any large file you have to delete it. So this is how you can free up your iCloud storage, and if it's not enough, then you can upload your important file to your Google Drive, or you can upload your important file to your Dropbox. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you out, and I will come with another solution based video. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy, and if you get any trouble, please let me know on my comment section below. Thank you.